My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by to check out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to be showing you the Vevor Stainless Steel Table, which I think is a great barbecue accessory that everyone needs. Now, I got the idea to get this from watching another fellow YouTuber called Tom Horseman. If you enjoy my table, you probably already know who he is, but I'll leave a link below to his video showing this. And this is something that everyone needs if you like smoking, grilling, and barbecuing like I do. When you think of great, necessary barbecue accessories, you think of the basics, you know, tongs, a spatula, heat-resistant gloves, an instant read thermometer. But you know what? You need some place to put all that stuff. And I know most smokers come with like a little side shelf that might be like, you know, 11, 12 inches. But usually it can't handle a lot of weight, and there's just not enough room, especially if you got a tray with a pork butt or some racks of ribs, a brisket. You need something heavy duty, and that's where I think this comes in. I bought this with my own money, just to let you guys know, so I'm going to give you my honest opinion, but based on Tom's video, I think I'm going to enjoy it. It has some nice caster wheels. It's something you can reel in and out of your garage when you're barbecuing and smoking. Put it right next to your smoker. And I bought it really because I have a brand new pizza oven, which I'm going to be doing, that I got from Bighorn. That's a pellet powered, but it gets very hot. And I don't want to put it on the ground where I'm bending over trying to put a pizza in and out. And I certainly don't want to put it on a plastic table or something like that, because it can get 800-900 degrees. I also got the Bighorn infrared grill that can reach up to 1500 degrees. I did a review of that. I'll leave a link below as well, but I didn't have any kind of stainless steel table to put it on. I actually ended up putting it on my Blackstone griddle because I thought at least the griddle surface could handle that intense heat. So if you're looking for some kind of table that's stainless steel that can handle the heat, that you can wheel in and out of your garage, and you can also use it in the kitchen, you need a little extra room, I think this will be a good accessory to have. So I'm going to take it apart, put it together, and I'll give you my honest opinion. So stick around, guys. I'm going to take it out of the box, I'm going to put it together, and I'll tell you what I think. Let's get cooking. Alright, so I just opened up the box. It's got the user manual. Looks like it's packed very well. Now, normally I wouldn't be assembling this inside on my kitchen counter, but I'm making an exception today, guys. It's 10 below zero, wind chill. It feels like it's around 30 below zero. A little too cold for me to be outside. So I'm going to take everything out of the box here and kind of put everything down here on the kitchen counter. I'm going to lay this cardboard out. I'll be back in a second when everything's laid out. It shouldn't be too long to put this thing together. Be back in a minute. Alright, so this doesn't look too complicated. Looks like we got 4 of the bottom part of the leg, 4 of the top parts. We got 4 caster wheels. These look pretty nice and heavy duty. 2 of them are able to be locked down into place to prevent them from rolling. Looks like 4 brackets here to support things. These probably have to be screwed in to secure the legs. We got total of 12 small bolts, 4 large bolts, a couple nuts, and it comes with an included Allen wrench. The only other 2 components are the top part of the table, and then there's a lower shelf as well, it looks like, that you can install in either one of 3 places. All right, so the first thing you need to do is take the 2 leg pieces and snap them together. It looks like the bottom part is where the caster wheel goes in, and the top part here is where it's going to slide in. Not very complicated. They just slide together like that. Next thing we're going to do, we got, looks like some support brackets here that kind of go in the end. And we just have 4 of these smaller bolts here that we're just going to tighten down. So let me do that real quick, guys. I'll be back when that part's done. This looks like it's going to be a very easy installation. Alright, so after you have those all screwed in, you just take the 4 legs, they just pop right in. And I just wanted to show you, this is the lower shelf, and you have 3 positions here, as you can see, I don't know if you can see here, on the holes. And I wanted to show you this lower shelf here. This is the top part. They put a nice little protective coating on there. And basically, we're going to attach that to one of 3 spots here. There's a higher, middle, and upper one. And let me kind of get this in position. Move the camera so you guys can see. Be back in a second. All right, so you can see right here the 3 positions. This would be putting the shelf at its lowest position, the mid position, the highest position. I'm just going to pick the middle, and then they give you this little piece here. Here's the bolts. I'm just going to put it in like this. I'm not going to push it through. I'm just going to kind of let it hang there while I move the shelf up here and get everything positioned. That's pretty much it. We're going to tighten it down. There's a nut on the back side. We're going to attach here. And that's pretty much it. Let me get to work here. All right, so I have the bolts. I got 3 of them already put on. Just as you tighten them up, kind of forces everything to lock in place. There you go. I mean, this really couldn't have been easier. Now all we're going to do is pop in the caster wheels. We'll put the 2 locking ones on one side and the 2 other ones on the other side. We'll flip this over. All right, got the other 3 wheels. You see these just literally just screw in. I mean, it really couldn't be easier, guys. It took me around maybe, well, actually took me longer to kind of move the camera around. If I wasn't filming it for you guys, it would probably literally take me maybe 10-minute stops. All right, let me peel off this protective film. We'll get it flipped over, show you how it looks like. All right, guys, so here it is. Rolling. Nice, I did look. It's 24 inches by 36 inches. This top shelf, they say, can handle or hold 400 pounds, where the one on the bottom can hold 300 pounds. More than enough weight, I think, that you'll ever need if you got a portable pellet smoker, a pizza oven, the infrared oven, or obviously just for putting your barbecue accessories next to your grill or smoker. What an excellent way to have a cheap, inexpensive way to kind of put stuff, move it in and out of your garage. It's heavy duty, it's stainless steel, it's going to last a long time. And yeah, I paid $85 for this with free shipping. I'll leave a link down below to Vevor. So far, I have to say, I'm really impressed for the price. I can't complain. You're probably going to see me use it in a lot of other videos coming up here, including that pizza oven review that I'll do as soon as the weather kind of gets a little bit nicer. As always, guys, I appreciate stopping by and checking out my video. If you like it, hit the like button. The logo on my shirt, logo on the bottom of the screen, click it, and it allows you to subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it if you do that. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. That's where I feature all my video recipes, the instructions, photos, the whole things, as well as links to the original video. So go check that out when you have a chance. We'll see you next time.